A PDG file is an individual digital page from the Superstar library, designed to be part of a larger, secure ebook collection. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Because these files are strictly ordered and often encrypted, you'll need the SSReader software to stitch them back together into a readable book. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading PDG file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A PDG file is a proprietary Superstar digital library page file, primarily used for storing digitized academic books, journals, and historical documents. Developed as a specialized alternative to the PDF format, it is not a single document but rather an individual image container that represents one specific page of a book. These files are typically found in large batches within a single folder, where hundreds of small PDG files are stitched together by the SSReader Superstar Reader software to create a seamless, readable electronic book. Developed by Beijing Century Superstar Information Technology, Chaoxing, the PDG format is governed by a distributed data architecture designed for high-speed streaming and strict digital rights management, DRM. One of the core design rules is structural dependency, meaning the files rely on a companion index, such as a UVZ or PDX file, and a rigid numerical naming convention to maintain the correct page sequence. Furthermore, the format often employs hardware locking protocols, which encrypt the data so it can only be opened on a specific computer or account, effectively preventing the unauthorized distribution of academic intellectual property. The PDG format is inextricably linked to the application SSReader from Beijing Century Superstar. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows handles text files easily through default viewing or editing tools. Go to your file and right-click the PDG file, choosing Open With. If SSReader is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If your PDG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, keep files together. Ensure the PDG files and their index, .uvz or book, stay in the same folder. The reader cannot function if the spine is separated from the pages. Next, use SSReader 4.0+. While older versions exist, the modern SSReader client is required to handle the updated encryption found in newer academic databases. Finally, convert for portability. If you need to read the book on a tablet or Kindle, use a utility like PDG2Pick to batch convert the individual images into a single standard PDF. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.